Feeling overwhelmed and stressed by debt is a common experience. Many people struggle to understand how debt works and how it can be used to their advantage. It's easy to get caught up in the cycle of having more liabilities than assets and constantly feeling like you're drowning in debt without any way out. However, it's important to remember that not all debt is created equal. There is good debt and good debt that can be used to build wealth. In this video, we'll explore the power of debt and how it can be used to your advantage. Let's explore how debt can be used as a powerful tool to help you achieve financial success. Here are 10 steps to help you leverage debt to your advantage. Step 1. Understand the difference between good and bad debt. Good debt is debt that is used to purchase assets that appreciate in value, such as real estate or a business. Bad debt is debt that is used to purchase liabilities that depreciate in value, such as credit card purchases or personal loans. Step 2. Prioritize paying off bad debt first. If you have a mix of good and bad debt, focus on paying off the bad debt as soon as possible. This will free up more cash flow to invest in assets that will help you build wealth. Step 3. Use debt to invest in real estate. Real estate can be a great way to use debt to your advantage. By taking out a mortgage to purchase a rental property, you can use the rental income to pay off the debt and potentially earn a profit on the property. Step 4. Use debt to start a business. Starting a business can be risky, but using debt to finance your venture can help reduce the risk. As long as the business is profitable, the debt can be paid off with the profits. Step 5. Use debt to invest in stocks. While stocks can be volatile, they can also provide great returns over the long term. By using margin or a brokerage loan, you can leverage your investment and potentially earn higher returns. Step 6. Use debt to fund your education. Investing in your education can be a great way to use debt to your advantage. By taking out student loans to pay for college or a degree program, you can increase your earning potential and pay off the debt with your higher salary. Step 7. Use debt to fund your retirement. Retirement planning can be difficult, especially if you have a limited amount of savings. By taking out a loan to fund a retirement account, you can take advantage of compound interest and potentially grow your wealth over time. Step 8. Use debt to invest in yourself. Investing in your own personal development can be a great way to use debt to your advantage. You can improve your skills and make more money by taking out a loan to pay for a training program or coaching service. Step 9. Use debt to invest in your children's education. Investing in your children's education can be a great way to use debt to your advantage. By taking out a loan to fund their education, you can help them achieve their goals and increase their earning potential. Step 10. Use debt to invest in your community. Investing in your community can be a great way to use debt to your advantage. By taking out a loan to fund a community project or charitable cause, you can make a positive impact and potentially earn a return on your investment. Remember, it's important to use debt wisely and only borrow what you can afford to pay back. Are you ready for some insider secrets on how to use debt as a powerful tool? Here are 5 little-known tips that can help you leverage debt to your advantage. Look for opportunities to refinance your debt at a lower interest rate. This can save you money in the long run and free up more cash flow for other investments. Think about getting a loan to invest in things that could go up in value, like real estate or a small business. Use debt to pay for short-term projects or goals that are likely to give you a good return on your money, like education or a marketing campaign. Don't be afraid to take on a reasonable amount of debt if it means you can accelerate your financial goals and build wealth faster. Always have a plan in place for paying off your debt, and make sure you have a solid understanding of the terms and conditions of any loans you take on. By following these tips, you can use debt as a powerful tool to help you reach your financial goals and build wealth. To conclude our video on the power of debt, we've discussed how debt can be a useful tool in building wealth if used correctly. We've provided 10 steps and tips for using debt to your advantage, as well as 5 little-known secrets for effectively using debt as a tool. Remember, it's important to understand the pros and cons of debt and to always be mindful of your assets and liabilities. Debt can be a powerful tool for getting ahead financially if it is planned for and managed well. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and leave a comment with your thoughts. And be sure to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future videos. Thanks for watching.